Hello guys, this is GeekFi and today I'm gonna show you how to create a meme token on the Ton network without any specific knowledge. So we're gonna have this cute little hamster here and I will show you how to create your first meme token. So we're gonna start with a minter.org and you will need the Ton wallet actually to be connected within your site. So actually, if you want to get the Ton wallet, you're gonna get it through the links provided on the site actually. So I've picked up the Ton wallet. I have the extension over there in my Chrome. So, and of course I've got the balance. How to get the balance here? So if you use the tax exchanges, you can do it easily. For example, with your ITX exchange or any exchange which supports Ton. So you need some tons here, so you need at least 1 ton to get started, but I've got 4 just to start. So if you go for the minter.ton.org, you will need to connect your wallet. So I've connected mine, and here we see the simple form here. So the first one is the logo. So the logo, editing the logo, you need the exact your logo 256 pixels square, and you can see how to do it using this link. But actually, what do you need to do this? You need to just create the GitHub account. So I created it in minutes. And you're gonna upload the file here. So I've got my hamster here. So and you can get the actually right click on the mouse button and quote this image here from this source. So nothing very crucial or nothing very hard, but actually if you will fight with troubles, so ask me in Telegram channel or just read this link. Okay, so then we need to get our token here. So actually let's call it GeekFi hamster, of course. GeekFi hamster. It will be I don't know, ham, yeah, and the camels. So usually in Ton network it's 9, so it's recommended here to stay by 9. It's okay. So how many tokens do we need to mint? So I will use 1 million tokens, I believe, and description, it's optional, so I will not use anything and you can deploy. So you will need to confirm 0.25 tons. So we just got it here, entering your password, very easy. So if you're familiar with the MetaMask or other wallets, so this is the same stuff here. So we need to wait several minutes to get our tokens minted. Now let's wait a couple minutes. Okay, we're still waiting. Something getting wrong, so we will repeat this because I believe this is network stuff here. Actually, I saw the transaction here, so we've been waiting till it's completed, and do not close the window in case to explode anything. Okay, we've done. Actually, I've done it several times, but nevertheless. Okay, what we gotta do here? So we've gotta get the address here. So take your notepad and just write down. Write down all the stuff you need to your notepad. Okay. Copy this one. Account address that can mint token freely and change the metadata. So this your address in your tone, so you can receive it, and you will see that if you want to revoke ownership, of course you can do this, but you don't need to do it right now. So the symbol can be changed, camels, total supply can be changed as well, but all you need to do is to copy the token address. This is token address on your personal token. Okay, so you can burn them, you can just transfer ham. So guys, if you want to have some hams, just write down your addresses and we will send them to test it out. Okay, so your first token is created, but what to do next with it? So the next question may be arised, who needs your token and how to add the liquidity. So first of all, you need to understand, so if you want to add liquidity to your token, you will need to use the decentralized exchanges, also called DEXs. So in Tone Network, there are two major players here, is StoneFi and Didust.io, so you can use freely one of these if you're familiar with just Pancake or Uniswap or 1inch. So they're simple, they're similar, and working in the similar way. So what do you need to do first? Of course, is to connect your wallet, provide the permissions here. Okay, and let's go to the pools and let's make the add liquidity stuff here. So the first asset is done. The second one, of course, will be your ham token address of your token here. Here we go, ham token. Agree and proceed. So we have 2 million. Oh, why 2 million? Because we've minted 2 times. Okay, so let's make 1 million here, and let's take, for example, 1 ton here. So picking up the proportions, you need to understand how to use proportions in your way, but actually it's testing, so you can experiment here, and that's it. You need just to create the pool. So when you're creating the pool, you just send in the tones, and voila. So be aware. Okay, we're done. Okay, if you've been failed with, sometimes it's happening with taxes, so if you failed with creating the pool the first time, so you may experiment and create it again. So let's do this. Okay, it's done here. So after the success, you can see the your transaction into the Explorer. So how many hams you've just provided, how many times you've called the transfer, the contract, and other stuff. Very, very good Explorer here. So if you want to get even more deeper, and right now you can see, you can find your ham here. So and you can start trading it. Okay, so you need just to experiment with the token. So you need to wait till it will just get updated through your image. That's all, guys. That's how you can make your token tradable. That's up to you guys. Advertise your token, share your thoughts about your meme coin in other communities, and have a good luck. And if you have any questions, just comment below, and that's it. Bye bye.